My next question, and I want to get Malavika on this. She fought the case in the courts, right? Let's Malavika and Pallavi, both on different sides, do come in. Malavika, I began the program tonight by saying, is there a targeting of Hindu festivals or not? Now, there's a view that this is an unsubstantiated question, but the cracker ban comes every year right during Diwali. For most of the rest of the year, there is no enforcement of any kind. Delhi, temporary ban during Diwali. Maharashtra, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Karnataka, during Diwali. Why? I don't understand it. What's the argument given in court? What really happened in the Supreme Court? Can you tell us more about it?
Yes, of course. And so, Arnab, I'm just very surprised at the points that are now being put forth here, because all these issues have been argued ad nauseum before the Honorable Supreme Court. And both sides have actually been discussed, committees have been set up, and the court has come to a conclusion, and not just in the judgment which has come now, but in the orders which have come since 2018, that the interests of both sides have to be balanced. And the most important point that was discussed was the livelihood of so many of these firecrackers, traders associations, which included the retailers, the shopkeepers, the laborers, the manufacturers. So that right, the right to livelihood also was a very important factor. It is all very well to talk about this one day's pollution, but you can't give a go-by to the livelihood of 31 lakh families and just say that, no, this is for the protection of the lungs and the health of some people, but we don't care if you get food or not. That is not the way the court balances out the interests. So therefore, after many arguments and all points being considered, the court came to this conclusion that there would be green crackers. That is a very important point. And also in those states where the AQI level was poor or worse than poor, there will be a complete ban. So these are all decided issues, but around Diwali, they are raked up again petitions are filed, various other orders are expected, but that cannot happen. Now, this is an order.
No, why is it being filed? No, Malavika, within the constraint, why is it being filed? Why just before Diwali? What's the idea? Can you get into that a little? What's the idea there? Why is it just before Diwali? I don't get it. Why do they all become active just before Diwali? What's the corporate interest or the interest here?
Well, I am seeing that, pick up the weakest link, because it's so easy to go after Diwali. So just do it with Diwali. Why don't they give up their air conditioners? Why don't they give up their generators? Why don't they stop the construction of these 4, 5-story houses, which are every second house?
Pallavi, tell me why not? Pallavi, why?
I think, I think, Malvika ma'am is my senior, of course, and I do agree with her points with respect to the orders actually already being laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court. However, I still feel that around Diwali, we still have a lot of air pollution which sort of starts to come in Delhi, at least right now, with the air quality actually dipping. The issue has been that, if we give any allowance to the green crackers being fought, it is sort of going to really create a lot of trouble in terms of the air quality actually going down.
No, what about the rest of the year?
I think,
what about the rest of the year? What about the rest of the year?
Burning?
Absolutely. I feel that, the rest, as it is with the order that has come and the direction of the Delhi government, it is anyway valid till 1st of January of the next year. So I think another 3 months, there is no bursting of crackers which is going to take place anytime soon.